On the way to the wedding. We're nearly there now. This one made me late, but it's okay. We still made it on time because I'm so organized. I have a contingency plan. So about an hour and a half contingency plan. Yes, you know, even when they're your friends, you're just like, but we got matching curly hair today. Do you like it? Curly hair. Anyway, we're on the way to the wedding. We won't be late. We're going to help the bride and the other bridesmaids get ready. I've done my makeup, just got to do my hair, change my clothes. So exciting, and look where we are.
Oh, hey brother, I didn't know you were doing the lift. Come on, give us a hug. Come on.
Annie, how you feeling?
Ah, excited!
Hell yeah. How you feeling, Annie?
Excited.
You're a bridesmaid duties, am I correct?
I don't know why I've been entrusted with bridesmaids duties. I really don't know. Like, they must have faith in me. But let's see what happens as the day goes on. Let's see if I can behave myself.
Who do you think is going to get the most drunk tonight?
Ooh. I hadn't thought of that one.
Or the most litty on the dance floor?
The most litty on the dance floor would be me.
Hey!
But dead sober. Look who it is. Who are you?
Tom?
Who's Tom?
What do you mean?
Tell me who Tom is.
I am an activist for Palestine, and I don't like the fake state. I don't love the fake state. I love Palestine, and we're here today for a really special day.
Oh, so do you think me and you could possibly be friends?
Yeah, why not?
Do you think our friendship might trigger a few people though?
Probably. I hope.
Yeah!
And me, bruv, I'm trans.
Yeah. Oh, we got the whole lot here. Wait, they keep telling me I'm trans. You're taking my space.
Damn it.
Damn it. So we got the brown Muslimic, yeah. we got the gay.
That's it.
I meant to say the Muslim gay, and I was like, the gay, you're extra gay, yeah?
I've just got to watch those roofs, haven't I? I've just got to watch the roofs.
And then we've got the trans. We've got everybody in the house. Is there anyone we've missed? I don't think so. No.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we've got a few disabilities amongst us too. So yeah, tick box. Equal opportunity, diversity. Allahu Akbar. Oh, I love it. Personal vlogger, Annie says, follow me.
Annie says on top.
And we have arrived at the destination. Please look at the interesting trees we have over here. And there is a tiki bar, look. Tiki, chicken tikka bar. Okay, and then we have a pathway. Follow the yellow brick road. Let's go. Da, 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 da. Follow the yellow brick road. Oh my God, there's like a statue and trees. This is so cute. I absolutely love it. This is, mashallah. What a place for a wedding. Look. There's the paparazzis following me. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So this isn't the main part.
Is this where we're going to party?
No. So we're actually over there.
Oh.
Over here.
Yes? All right, I'm coming. I've got the white boys doing the work today, look.
Yeah,
Got Tom.
Your personal paparazzi and personal...
This is how we do. We're taking over your country. We're taking your country back one white boy at a time. Okay, I'm going to behave now before Nicola gets here. I'll probably give her a heart attack. It is gorgeous.
This is the main part.
I absolutely love it. Hello. It's so beautiful. Where is the women's quarters, sir? Thank you. Your tip will be delivered to you later. Thank you very much. Thank you for your service to the nation. Thank you.
This is where we're all going to be sat.
Ooh.
There's dance rooms in there. This is where everyone's going to be sat.
Oh, that's so cute. Absolutely love it. Colour scheme is nice. Brilliant. And what's down there?
Dance room and bar.
Oh, party. And the food's going to be out here.
Got barbecue.
Halal barbecue as well, guys. And then we've got, what's down there?
That's where they get married. I
Oh.
think that's where you've got to get ready.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I think it's down here. Yeah, the lodge, yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Perfect location. I think that's the tree that Shabs was telling me about in her video. Look who it is.
That's you, but I think you need to get the key from the front room.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Do you think Steve pulled out the bag?
He's pulled it well and truly out of the bag. Boy, done good. Right, Tom. Yeah, I opened the door to somebody's house instead, so I need to follow you. Let's go. Okay. Sort my hair out because it's really fluffy. She just got ready. I mean, she just got here.
Yeah, more or less. Not on the door. Excuse me, is the women's lodge like...
It's really confusing. Which one's the lodge?
The women's lodge, please, for bridesmaids and stuff.
Straight ahead and see the white building. You keep going straight and it's on the right.
Like, so you pass this on the left, this thing?
Yeah, go straight through.
Okay.
Building on the right.
Is it the big Tudor building? Okay, thank you.
Because I just opened somebody's door.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It is confusing.
Very confusing.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. I just want to go get ready. Totty made me really late.
Is Totty coming?
Yeah, he's coming back. He has to go and do some stuff first.
Okay. Fair play.
Okay.
Right.
So where did you put the bag?
Oh God, that is a question. I think Barrel's got it.
No. Oh no. Please, can you get it? Because I need to get ready.
Yeah, I think Barrel might have put it. Yeah. Nicola did.
Yeah, there it is. There it is.
Right, so here.
Look who it is. Nikki, drink of water. How's a drink of water, love? Hi.
So nervous, but I've got my auntie here, so I'm okay.
Got it. Anti-vax.
I'm going to stick some eyeshadow on and some lipstick.
Did you bring the spray and stuff to put on top of your makeup?
Lovely meeting you. Everyone, please be outstanding. Give a big cheer.
You guys are amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All of you lot here and sharing it with us is absolutely amazing. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you for coming. So thank you.
Harry! Alright, behave yourselves, Laura will be tackling. 2, 1.
Probably don't want it with the boobs out. Why not?
But he's admiring the statue. Look, it was Tabby's handiwork. Of course it was.
Cover the aura, cover the aura.
Haram, 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 yeah. We're taking over your country one statue at a time.
Two people who have chosen each other again and again, standing here today, surrounded by the people who love them. Before I say anything else, I just want to acknowledge the amount of work that has gone into making today happen.
Through sickness and health, they have been each other's everything. And it hasn't always been easy, but they've always had each other's backs. And they've always made sure that the day ends good and the morning starts better. So from the time I've actually spent with them as a couple, I can clearly see that they both fill a hole in each other that has been empty for so long. And they complete each other and they complement each other. And that's the thing that stands out. And that's not just in the good times, that's in the bad times. And that's the important thing to remember. A marriage, a relationship is not just about the happiness, it's not just about the fun times, it's dealing with some of the most difficult things that can happen in your lives. And you guys have shown us a great example of that. And inshallah, yours will be a marriage filled with love and laughter. And to the bride and groom, I want to say congratulations, Mabruk and Mubarak, and
Like my son, I do not like public speaking. Put me in a situation with a police officer and a protest, I'm absolutely fine. But when it comes to speaking to all of you, I find this really embarrassing. But firstly, I want to say thank you, Tom, thank you, Annie, and thank you, Lakari, for such amazing speeches. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all. So, first of all, can we please raise our glasses to everybody that has come here today, and also to how amazing you all look today. Thank you for coming down and making the effort. You're welcome, darling.
And next time, can you turn your phone off, please?
I'm sorry, next time.
To them the display for photos. So, Canary, Harry's camera.
I am.
I have many to choose from.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
And now it's time to eat.
That's it, you can go and get food. Start. Congratulations. That was such a good speech.
I'll go post the hands unless someone tells you. Yeah, good. You know what I mean? Don't want to just unless you know it's happening.
Well, thank you. Very well.
Okay, get in. Get in.
Look at Annie in her. We're doing a video, love. Look at Annie in her stuff. She's got her little bridesmaid stuff going on right now. Her little flatties.
Call out to Tabby, please.
Tabby! Got Shabs in the mix.
Okay, right now.
Shabs with the cute earrings. Whoop whoop. West side.
Get in.
Now we've got Tabby. Come on, Tabby.
I don't know who.
A lot of experience.
Yeah.
10 years experience.
So you're used to it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Can someone?
So I do, I train over.
Why can't I grab?
today is all about love. Love's in the air. So I'm gonna start with a classic. You say, get your jeans, got your top on the wedding. I'm gonna in your morning and call it tonight. Yeah. Are you ready for? You say, get your jeans, got your top on the wedding. I'm gonna in your morning and call it tonight. That is not enough. No, and if you think I wanna take you home after the first night, with all the things that's associated with never right. Nicola, Stephen, you say, when Stephen cut your G-spot, Nicola, I'm gonna eat your mouth and grow. Look into my eyes.
So I hold them. Picking the mic as I try and try to need some ice, raise the pattern fight. When I get on the mic, when I get on the mic, when I get on the mic, when I get on the mic. Okay, it's time. It's to get on the mic. Are you ready? On the mic, I'm gonna get you high. So to all my garage heads in here, this is for you. So London thing, no girl every night like music. Coming on, come fresh air, what's going on? Stuck in your eyes, I'm bumping right. A little bit of luck, you'll be my lover. That's hard to do, I'll do the whole show. Love on my dog head. Asking ladies, can you be true? Are you my love? And the little things we do. Now masquerade the way you make me feel, little man. Tell me it's real. To be in love, sunshine in the window, like one in the lockdown. You can shot me straight from the heart. Wanna be your best friend. Lessons in love, are you the best man? Boy, you bring me love, and you bring me joy. Boy, you bring me love, and you bring me joy. Here we go. So bad with the young fuck in the side who says friends are going wild. Loving the rhyme, singing the lyrics and I love the bass line. What the basic accuracy, personality of the microphone. Be Nicky. What's ghosty, they want me. Pushing, they like me. DJ run the track because you know you can't rewind me. And one more, yeah? For everybody that tells me that you don't do politics, yeah? Alright? If you don't do politics, what do? You do big like right politics, don't you? Left, right, if you mean never do. It's the immigrants policy. I'm not racist, but as I hate them too. I'm protecting women and children like you. Like a lamb to the slaughter, believe in fake news. You do the devil's work, the devil laughs at you. But the NHS and the homeless too. Yet you love Maggie Churchill. Is it really me that needs protecting from your right-wing walk history lessons? From your state propaganda, uneducated minds, misplaced anger, believing these lies. See it a lot, I don't need protection. People like you are named for reflection. You're ignorant, making enemies, professing enemies, your own legends. You try the flag on, it's not real. You don't care about the process still. No, seriously, I'm in your vibe. It's your history. That's a little behind. Okay, that's fine. All the ladies are getting angry when they see their fellas looking at me when I'm sitting my LGBT with my boots down. And I'm understanding that beautiful men who shout to me. Fancy, will you be my lady? I said, no boy, just got a baby. I said, no boy, you must be crazy. So then I pulled over. I said, baby, I just love the bumper. Come with me, I said, my car. I like the old daddy. He said, I don't know ya. I said, my name's Steve. He said, you look kinda cute with your touch. I was in the race one night, getting high, running to lose my own supply. Look around the race, you want to spy. Let's come back. We like to hide. One more. Inside, tonight, I see tears at the corner of my eye. And I know my guy can't empty. Come on, to the stage. Big man, it's just inside the place.
Yes, it's me, the big T.I.T. Used to rock with the LRT.
Yeah.
Now I know with Steve and Nicola. It's me, T.I.T. Used to roll with the LRT.
Yeah.
Now I'm at the place with the key. They're into the bars for you like this. Breezy, middle of a single day parody. Pulling out the fucking kids every day. Going more heroin. Trapped in the shallow end. 6 minutes in the hood. But you don't have to let me around the key. Wait 7 hours a week. On the 6 we pray up for these. What's coming to us? I'm big in the water. Still, I went mad. I went to I just see on the box. Watch my eyes spiral. Yours on myself. When we take off like drops to the place. We got fucking eyes pop.
Tell them.
I'll tell them again, my friend. It's me and you got wind doing this shit. It's Wednesday night, I got work in the kid.
Wake up, I don't want to wake up. What's happening? What's wrong with me? Honey with myself, I'm a picture of your wife. But you know what? I want you to say, I'll take it up. I won't wait. What? My head, you maybe I should try. We should take first. Maybe another lesson I need to learn. Right? We go through another session. I was right above you.